Hey everyone, in today's video I want to show you how to share your screen on Facebook Messenger. Now you could do this on Facebook Messenger for both iOS and Android apps, and you could also do this on Messenger on the web. I'll show you the apps first, then we'll look at the web version of Messenger and sharing your screen. So you could do this in a group or in an individual chat. I'll just do it in an individual chat, and you have to start a video chat first. So find the person you want to chat with and press the video icon on your app here. And after you get connected here, I just have the camera off, but all you have to do is slide up here and you'll get this option to share your screen. Once you click this, it will give you a countdown and you could share your screen. I can't do it right now because I'm recording the screen, so you can't both record the screen and share the screen, but this is the option. You just press it and you get a 3, 2, 1 countdown and you're sharing your screen. Let's jump into the web version of the app so I could show you exactly how to do the same exact thing there. I just jumped into messenger.com, logged into the same accounts, and again I'm going to have this conversation with Jordan, so I'm going to press the little video icon up here. So when they answer here, you'll have a new icon that says share your screen over here. Now you both have to be on a computer here to use the messenger.com version of this. If they're on mobile and you're on the web version, you can't share your screen. So you both have to be on similar devices. So if I press share my screen here, it's going to ask me to add an extension. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then it's going to ask me, do I want to share my entire screen or a specific window here? So in this case, let me just choose my second screen here. And now my screen is being shared. So they could see everything you do on this page. You could share a presentation, family photos, whatever you want. And then when you're done, you could press stop sharing right here on the bottom. And it's going to stop sharing. You're still inside of the call though, but the share your screen option is now turned off because I ended it. So now I could go ahead and end this call and it will end that conversation and ask for the quality of the call. And it's that simple to share your screen with someone on iOS, Android, and on messenger.com. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for easy to follow tech videos, and I'll see you next time.